Hi, hello friends, welcome to SreeDeep Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty South Indian recipe, Guliappam. This is a very tasty and crispy recipe. Let's get started. If you are watching our channel's video for first time, then please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations and hit the bell icon to get more informations. Ingredients required: 4 medium-sized onion finely chopped, mint and coriander leaves finely chopped, oil, finely chopped capsicum and green chilies, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt required, idli batter 4 cups. Take a pan for tempering and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons of urad dal and fry it well until it becomes light brown color. Now add finely chopped onions. For 4 cups of idli batter, add 4 onions. If you are taking 1 cup of idli batter, then add 1 finely chopped onion. Now add required salt. Now add finely chopped capsicum and green chilies and saute it well. Now add finely chopped mint and coriander leaves. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now our mixture is ready. Now add this mixture into idli batter and mix it well. Add few water and mix it well. Now take Guliappam pan and add oil to each lots. Then add Guliappam batter and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on one side. After 5 to 6 minutes, turn the Guliappam another side. We can see Guliappam is very crispy. Now after turning on another side, cook for 5 to 6 minutes in same way on another side. Now our crispy Guliappam recipe is ready. Serve this Guliappam with tomato chutney. It is a fantastic combination with Guliappam. Do try this recipe at your home. If you like this video, like, share, comment and please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations. Thank you for watching and have a happy cooking.